Hello guys, welcome to the another home tour of Whitefield location, which comes with swimming pool, private swimming pool inside the villa, and this comes with 5,400 square feet of super built up area. Now let me give you the small tour of this house. So as you enter, here comes your garden, kind of some front yard garden, which is very beautiful, which gives a lavish look to your villa. So as you enter to the house, just look at this chandelier, which is looking very good. And here is your private swimming pool with the double height ceiling in the living room area. This is your private swimming pool with the backyard outside there over. And you have separate basement for this. You have servants room, you have drivers rooms, you have maid room. So total 6 bedrooms of this villa is there. In this floor you get 1 bedroom. That's your kitchen. Now let me show you the bedroom, which is on first floor with the view of swimming pool. This is your bedroom, first bedroom. You can utilize as your guest bedroom, and here is the swimming pool view, which is giving a good view for the bedroom for the guest who will be staying in this room. Now let us go on the first floor. So these are the wooden floorings which have been given from the developer, and this is the resale unit. Here comes your master bedroom. And this is your master bedroom attached with the bathroom and separate closet area. And just look at the balcony which is given here, which is very good. And the weather is pretty good now, so it seems to be very good to be staying in this villa right now. Now let us move towards another bedrooms, which is a kid's bedroom. This is your kid's bedroom with attached bathroom, and here is a standing balcony over here. You have closet here, you have fans here. So the interior, the owner of this house interior have been done very basic interiors, and these are the wooden flooring. As you can see, this is the double height ceiling where you can watch the living area. This is your private living area of your family, and this is the third bedroom on the first floor. This also comes with the attached bathroom and with the separate closet area.
I hope you guys like the video. So for more details of this villa, connect on the given number below.